Breaking news from Ottawa, where a federal court judge has struck down Major General Dany Fortin's request for reinstatement as the head of Canada's vaccine distribution campaign. CTV's Michelle Boyer is joining us live from Ottawa with more. This decision coming in just last hour. Tell us about it.
Right, Bev. I could tell you that this decision, not particularly long, just under 20 pages. And there's a couple paragraphs in it that are pretty important. One spells out the question that the court was looking at. It says, the issue is whether the application should be struck for having been brought prematurely. In other words, does Major General Fortin first have to proceed with an internal grievance prior to seeking the intervention of the court? That internal process, by the way, within the military grievance system, because Fortin was removed from his post. He was on loan to the Public Health Agency of Canada, and when it was revealed that there was an investigation into allegations of sexual misconduct dating back to 1998, he was removed from that. Now, his legal team had argued that the military justice system, the military grievance system, wouldn't have authority to do anything because the decision to remove Fortin was a political one. That is what his legal team alleged. They also say that the grievance process cannot provide an adequate remedy because the political actors who made the decision are outside the Canadian Armed Forces chain of command. Now, we do have the final decision from the judge in this case saying Major General Fortin must exhaust the internal grievance process prior to seeking a remedy in court. The Attorney General's motion to strike the application for judicial review. I had a chat with his lawyer who completely disagrees with this decision. They say, look, political actors were at play here. The military grievance system, as I mentioned a little earlier, won't have any effect. At this point, they just skimmed the decision. They are going to be reviewing it in detail to find out if there are any errors in this decision before deciding whether or not to appeal.
Okay, and as we await that decision, what are kind of the next steps for Fortin?
Right. Well, for Fortin, he still hasn't been reinstated, and there's also a criminal process that is underway related, as I mentioned, to those allegations of sexual misconduct dating back to 1998. He was at the Saint Jean military base in training. He has been formally charged. That is underway. He's expected to reappear in court in Quebec on November 5th. So that is going to have to play out before the courts. Also do want to add, none of these allegations, by the way, have been proven in court, Bev.
Yeah, okay. Michelle Boyer with that. Thank you very much.